All right, we're going to close out the Aromatics Tease Me like this. Again, no, let me give you all note freaks, the top notes. Bergamot, lemon, cardamom. All right, this is a tea fragrance. All right, so again, just think, very fresh, very crisp, very clean. All right, this is something, performance wise, longevity, you'll probably get about 7 hours. I would say, give or take, your body chemistry, stuff like that. 7 hours. Again, the walk by, what you leave behind, your scent trail with this right here, yeah, it's definitely like that. They'll definitely know you've been there, believe me. So again, in closing, Aromatics Tease Me. This is a summer. You can wear this anytime. I'm not even going to put a season on it. You can do this any time of year. Check this out.